Hey, I got this water bottle adapter kit couple months ago, but haven't really used it. So finally, my husband was gonna go run at Moulton Falls, so I was thinking I'll just try it. It's perfect. It was amazing, and I got two more bottles, so it's great. Okay, so it's very easy. Just pop it out. Mm-hmm. That's nice. Okay. I like this new system better because when I use the water bladder, especially on the Camino, it got moldy. Because it's so hard. We don't have time or place to hang it and dry it and stuff. So I think this is a good system for me. I can just keep changing the water bottle. Water bottle. It's 28 millimeters, the cap, and 33 millimeters. I dyed my hair yesterday, and at the store, I grabbed wrong color. This is a little too red for me, I think. My husband said okay. What do you think? So this is the water bladder that I have, my last one. I have another one, bigger one. It's no big. I don't need a bigger one. This is what 50 ounce, 1.5 liters. Okay. Somehow when I went to the market, this smart water was on sale, so I got three bottle, two big ones, 33.8 ounce each, and the little one is, oh my god, 20 ounce. So I got three. Yeah. Bye.